Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today's video is going to be my favorite purchase from Sephora in 2023. I have a lot of product that I love, but these are the one that were my favorite that I reach for every single day. It's kind of crazy because I went through all of the purchases that I made this year, and when you look through it, I spent a lot of money. These are the products that I would highly suggest to anyone who loves natural type of makeup. Without any further ado, let's jump right into it. I have a problem with foundation and skin tint. I feel like I'm on a mission to try them all. This year, two really stood out for me. The first one is the Hourglass skin tint. This is my holy grail. Whenever I wear makeup, this is what I put on. Now, the reason why I love this so much is that it is lightweight. In my opinion, it has a medium coverage. So even though this is supposed to be a skin tint, to me, it's like a foundation. It lets your skin shine through, which I love, but it also blurs your skin like a filter. I mean, this is everything I am looking for. This product really provides an healthy, glowy look. Most of the time I use this with my fingers. I'm a mom, it needs to go fast, it needs to be easy. So this, I mean, if you have to get something this year, that would be my number one recommendation. Whenever I need to wear more makeup to cover more imperfections, say I'm on my period or something like that, then I would go and use this House Lab foundation. I got this more at the end of the year. Gotta say, it is amazing. The House Lab foundation contains skincare ingredients such as arnica, which helps reduce redness and improve the skin health. That's definitely something that I am into. Very buildable. The foundation is so lightweight. You don't feel like you have foundation on your skin, and that is really important to me because I don't wear a lot of foundation. I don't wear a lot of makeup. So whenever I wear some, I don't want to feel like I have a mask on. So this is the perfect product for that, but it stays on forever. Also has so many shades to choose from, and that is actually something that I wanted to let you know. If you are thinking about getting that foundation, I would highly suggest to go in store because I feel like the colors are the opposite of what we usually have in other brands, because the cool tone are kind of the warm tone in the House Lab foundation. Anyway, so first I ordered it online and I had to go back and exchange it. I am color 160, I believe. Yeah, I'm color 160 light neutral in this. It's perfect for me. I feel like this is the big sister of this. These two in the foundation skin tint department this year have been my holy grails. Now, moving on to blush. I have finally discovered the nude stick blush, and one of you told me in the comment that you were sad that you loved it that much, and same. This is super pretty. It's kind of a sheer color, but I mean, this is foolproof. So the one that I got is the In the Nude from Nude Stick. Let me show you the color. It's this kind of peachy orange. This looks so natural, and I also sometimes use this on my lips as well. From what I know, they have two different finish, so matte and dewy. This one is definitely matte. I love that because I love to have a lot of other glowy type of textures from my other product. It's easy to blend. It's available in a wide range of shades. It's a product that is multifunction. Like I said, you can use it on your eyes, your cheek, your lips. It's very versatile, and that's one reason that I love this, because you throw this and this in your makeup bag with a mascara that we are going to talk next, and I feel like you're good to go, you know? If you've watched any of my Get Ready With Me, any of my makeup video, you know that there is one mascara that I cannot seem to let go of. I love it so much. It's my holy grail. It's the Caution Extreme Mascara from Hourglass. First, look at how pretty this is. I've bought this so many times. Even though you guys gave me amazing recommendation for mascara, I cannot seem to let this one go. I know that I want to try the YSL brown mascara because that's all the hype right now. This is always going to be in my makeup bag. I have tried a lot of contour stick this year. One that I got that I hope that wouldn't like as much as I do because it's expensive. It's the Westman Atelier Contour Stick. I got the mini size. I love this so much. It's super easy to use. The color is very natural. I use this kind of as a bronzer, as a contour. I always use this on my eyelid as well when I do my makeup. And then I went ahead and got the highlight stick as well in Nectar. It's kind of a translucent gel formula. It has radiance in it. It gives dewy glowy finish. It has a light catching undertone, so it's really natural. If you have to get one thing from Westman Atelier, I would say that this is the one thing that you need to get. I really didn't think I'd love it that much. My wallet is sad that I like it that much, but I think that the mini size are amazing to try these out. I've been using them for more than a month now. I don't see myself going through this anytime soon. It definitely goes a long way. Another thing that I was 100% sure that I would love and did love this year is the Hourglass Leopard palette. This I use probably every single time that I do my makeup. I mean, you have three blushes, one bronzer, one setting powder, and one highlighter. It makes your skin looks like you have a filter on. It's super easy to use. The blushes are outstanding, and even though these are kind of a smaller size from what you would get when you would buy the individuals, I have the Elephant palette from last year and I don't know if I'm ever gonna go through an it pan with this. So this is expensive, but that was an amazing investment. It provides a really natural, healthy, radiant finish. Every single powder in this I love. There's no Hourglass powdery product that I've tried that I didn't love. So when you have all of the 6 in this, and look at the palette, I mean, this is so stunning. I feel like it fits with my outfit today. This was a very good purchase. I'm gonna try not get the 2024 palette when they come out next year, but I know myself, probably gonna get it because they're a limited edition. Yeah. Moving on. I have been using Benefit Gimme Brow for many years. This year I wanted to try something new, and when an associate from Sephora told me to try the Refi Eyebrow Tint Gel, I am in love. This not only put my brow in place and stays in place all day, but also it's long wearing. It gives you a natural look. I'm not a one who loves to have laminated look for my eyebrow. I really want them just to stay in place, look good, and look full. And I've only been using this in the colder month, but I've read that this stays in place even in the warmer weather. Use it every single day, every single time that I do my makeup. If you're not good with makeup, I feel like this is like foolproof. In terms of concealer, I have got this Tower 28 concealer for the past few months as well, and I've been loving it. It's very lightweight, it has buildable coverage. What I love is that it doesn't crease on my skin. I love that this is kind of a serum texture. It really doesn't settle in my fine lines. It covers dark circles, redness, blemishes. You won't be able to tell that someone has this concealer on, but it really covers what it has to cover. This is my go-to right now. I love the Hourglass concealer as well, but lately I've been using this one every time that I do my makeup with a beauty blender, and I love it very much. And then I go ahead and use the setting powder in the Hourglass Leopard palette. For the lips, this year I have finally got into the trend of overlining my lips. I usually don't feel like I need to, but I definitely love this product. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat in Iconic Nude. The color is so natural. I love the way that I can overline my lips and then blend it with my finger. This, I didn't think I needed it, and I'm really happy that I got it. It's super creamy and long wearing. I have tried the Donna Karan deodorant this year. I am obsessed. I don't see myself purchasing any other deodorant ever. I know that this one has aluminum in it, and I really wish I didn't need it as much as I do, I mean the product. But whenever I do an intense workout, I still smell good afterwards. This has become a staple that I feel like I'm going to repurchase every single time that I need a new deodorant. It smells like baby powder, but in a good way. I don't have any perfume that it doesn't fit with. Let's just put it that way. It's amazing. If you want to smell good, if you want to keep sweat at bay, you need this. Moving on to the lip balm. I think that it's going to be a no-brainer for you guys if you've seen any other of my video, but the Summer Friday lip balm, no matter what the flavor is, they are all amazing. So hydrating, not sticky at all. I know that some people use this as a night mask as well, so you put a thick layer on. I mean, I love it. My daughter loves it. She always want to put it on. I know that Summer Friday is such an amazing brand. It's everywhere. It's in my purse, it's in my bedroom, it's in my bathroom. Like, I have so many of these everywhere. And I also love to mix these two together. Winning combo for me. Pink sugar is my favorite one. It has very subtle color tint to it, and it really is hydrating. Now finally, the biggest purchase that I made this year is definitely the Dyson hair straight. I am so happy that I did, because you can use this as a blow dryer, but you can also use it to straighten and blow dry your hair at the same time. It goes super fast. My hair looks amazing in like 15 minutes top, and I've been using this every single time that I wash my hair since I got it. I highly suggest to get it. The process of this tool makes it better for your hair because it has less heat on your hair. It does all of the process of styling your hair at once. If you're contemplating getting this, this is your sign. That is it, you guys. These are all the products that I've got in 2023 at Sephora. My favorite product. Like I said, I got so many other things, but these ones are the one that I reach for the most. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up because it really supports my channel and myself as a content creator. And also, if you're new, welcome. I'm so happy that you're here. I would love for you to subscribe because I post new video every single week, and I would love for you to follow me along in my YouTube journey. I hope you guys have an amazing year in 2024. I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.